Hey everyone, my name is Zul Patel and welcome back to my lead code series. In this series, I solve the problem step by step and explain the logic so you can actually understand, not just memorize it. Today's problem statement is 4 power of 4, which is number 342. In this, we have given an integer and return true if its power is 4, otherwise false. If we have given an integer 4, if we have given an integer n like 16, its power is 4 to the power square, 4 to the power square. Okay, so it can be power of 4. Okay, so for example, input is equals to 16, then output is equals to true. If input is equals to 5, like 5, 4 की पावर में कुछ भी कर लो 5 आंसर नहीं होगा तो वो फॉल्स होगा. इफ n की पावर इज 1 देन इट इज ट्रू, लाइक 4 टू दी पावर 0 इज इक्वल्स टू 1. ओके, देन वी गो टू, now I am explaining the code and typing it, so please move on the code. False. This loop checks if n is positive or 0. If n is negative, or if n is negative or it includes 0, it will return directly false. It will not go to the while loop. Now we are creating a while loop in which the n is being checked. Return n equals to 1. Okay. This is the solution for the code. I am explaining the code now. Here at first we are checking that n is positive or negative or equals to 0. If it contains negative portion or 0, it will return directly false. If while n is positive, while n is positive, we will check that modulus of 4 is equals to 0, or we can divide it with 4. If it is true, then it will return 1 and it will return true for that answer. Thank you for watching my videos. This is the question for today.